we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of KZJKZJ Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Consists of the following features. Powerful 45 kPa suction for effortless cleaning. This cordless stick vacuum is powered by a 550-watt motor, delivering a robust 45 kPa suction to tackle both everyday messes and deep cleaning tasks with ease. Its low-noise operation ensures a quiet cleaning experience, while 3 adjustable modes make it perfect for removing dust, debris, pet hair, and more from hard floors and low-pile carpets. Keep your home spotless and enjoy fresh, clean air every day. 70-minute runtime and 2.5-hour fast charging. Say goodbye to constant charging interruptions. With an upgraded 8x 2500 mAh removable battery, this cordless vacuum offers up to 70 minutes of runtime on low power, 20 minutes on max mode. The fast charging plug fully charges the battery vacuum cleaner cordless in just 2.5 hours, and the wall mount bracket combines storage and charging for ultimate convenience. 5-stage filtration and one-touch dust cup. Featuring a multi-layer filtration system including a stainless steel filter, sponge filters, and a HEPA filter, this vacuum cordless captures 99% of fine dust particles, preventing secondary pollution and ensuring cleaner air. The one-touch dust cup design allows for quick, hygienic waste disposal, while the one-touch emptying feature lets you dispose of debris effortlessly, keeping your hands clean. Intelligent touchscreen for effortless control. Take command with the wireless vacuum cleaner's responsive, user-friendly touchscreen. Easily switch between 3 suction levels with a simple tap, and monitor key metrics like battery life, dust cup capacity, and fault alerts in real time. No need to hold a trigger constantly. This sleek, high-definition display combines modern design with intuitive functionality, making cleaning smarter and more stylish. Versatile cleaning for all surfaces. The innovative V-shaped anti-tangle carpet roller effortlessly guides pet hair into the air duct, reducing tangling. A soft brush roller protects hard floors from scratches, and one-click wheel removal makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The stick vacuum cordless rechargeable also comes with a crevice nozzle and sofa brush, seamlessly transitioning from full-size to handheld mode for versatile cleaning. Rotating floor brush and LED dust detection. The 90 degrees up/down and 180 degrees left/right rotating floor brush on these cordless stick vacuum cleaners for home easily reaches under furniture and hard-to-reach corners, enhancing cleaning performance. Built-in LED lights reveal hidden dust and particles, ensuring no dirt is left behind. With a modular design, detachable components make upkeep and care hassle-free, saving you valuable time and energy. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.